Good afternoon, friends and neighbors. This is Mayor Abby Brennan here in Tequesta, giving you an update on where we are today. It is Thursday at 12:15 p.m. We are experiencing, as you can see, and we see it here in the Emergency Operations Center, all of the models that are showing us where Hurricane Irma could go, will go. And so it's really important that you monitor this very, very closely. When I come and speak with you 10 minutes from now or half an hour from now, it may change. So that's very, very important. Here's a website that I want you to remember, and it is called ReadyPBC, as in Palm Beach County, but it's ReadyPBC.com. That site will give you shelter information, and it will also give you evacuation notices. Just so you're aware, Tequesta does not give you the evacuation information. It comes from the county. So it's best that you watch that as well. We will, in fact, put it on our Nixle, which is our notification system, but some people have not taken advantage of that yet. So if you have a friend or neighbor that you think doesn't keep up with those type of technologies, please help them to get that information as well. Again, we don't call the evacuation. However, we love Tequesta because it is surrounded by water on 3 sides. And of course, we're close to the Jupiter Inlet. If you can, if you have friends and family in the area that are inland, it may make sense to go ahead and do that and do it as quickly as possible. They are not recommending that everyone get on the road anymore. Both 95 and the Turnpike are getting to be bumper to bumper. Don't forget, people are evacuating from the Keys and Miami and ultimately Broward and possibly Palm Beach. So if you do have that ability, do that now. I think that would be best for everyone. I cannot stress enough that we here at the Village are going to be in this Emergency Operations Center 24 hours. We are not leaving no matter what occurs. But here's what I want to remind you. Even though we have teams of people, fire rescue and police officers, if we get, or I should say when we get, 45 mile an hour sustained winds, and that's basically tropical winds. We're not talking about hurricane at that point. 45 miles per hour, we cannot leave the station. Our police officers, our fire rescue cannot leave, which means we cannot get to you. What we will be able to do is the minute the storm passes and those winds go below 45 miles an hour, we will be out there in force and doing everything that we can. I just want to make sure that you also know that we just had a meeting here at the Village. It was a department heads, and it was headed up by Chief Medina, who is ahead of our emergency operations here now. I can't be more proud, and I cannot stress enough how confident I am in the ability of our police officers, our fire department, our water plant staff in doing the best job that we possibly can, and I believe that we are all in safe hands. Again, just make sure that you have all your protection in place if you choose to stay. I will be coming back to you again just to give you an update from the Emergency Operations Center, but I just want you to make sure that you are monitoring television, radio, that you go again to that website, which is ReadyPBC.com, and get that information there. Thank you, and be safe.